Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to show only Hindi language video in Amazon Prime. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you first of all have to open your Prime Video application, and after opening the Prime Video application, you just simply have to tap into your profile section into the top right corner, and after going into there, go to Gear button, and from there you will see this languages option. Just simply select that languages option, and after that tap into this app language, and then scroll down a bit and you will see this Hindi option. Just simply select this Hindi option and click to this yes button. Amazon will show you everything in Hindi. By following these very easy steps, you can easily filter out your application in Hindi language. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.